Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja, and today I'm going to talk about Hilti fasteners that we utilize in order to apply foam board and vapor barrier to our foundation walls. But guess what? I'm going to show you how you can get access to these without having to purchase them. Stay tuned. I'm briefly going to go over each of these, and later we're going to do some videos in the future showing you how to use them. But for now, a lot of homeowners don't realize that these tools are available for access. And to be quite honest with you, they can be quite costly. If you're planning on doing your own crawl space, you don't want to spend $1,000 on a tool that you're going to use one time, right? So what we've done is we've created a lease program where you can lease either the DX5 or the GX3 for a week and utilize it. And it's a really cool way to get your crawl space done very quickly. For example, the DX5, this is the one that you would use to apply foam board. And what we do is we take the foam board nail. Now this is designed for a 2-inch foam board. Basically, this nail was created to apply stucco to a house. But what we do is we just take it and we put it in the end, and then it sticks, and then we've got shot that gets placed, cartridges that gets placed into the DX5. This works with a 0.27 powder actuator shot, and you just apply this to the foam board and you pull the trigger, and you could use maybe 2 to 4 of these nails to hold up a 4x8 sheet of foam board. So very, very great tool to use, and it's not coming off. Once you apply that foam board to the foundation wall, it's going to be tough to remove. So great way to apply foam board. Then we've also got the GX3. Now I don't know if you noticed this, but it does have a way to hang it on you. This is great for any kind of masonry application. If you're looking to put up studs or wood framing in a basement, you can use this tool for that. You can also use the Hilti DX5 in the basement if you're looking to apply foam board there. But the GX3 is a little bit different. It uses gas, so the gas cartridge goes in right here, and then basically we've got these little nails with washers, all right? So this is a magnetic washer holder. So you put the washer on there, it stays. You take take this little guy and put it back, and you take your little nails and you slide them in there, and as you can see, there's room for a lot of nails right through here, and then you just let it go, and this guy pushes down and you pull the trigger, and it with the washer and the nail, it gives it enough surface material in order to hold the vapor barrier on the foundation wall. So the GX3 and the DX5 are now available on the DIY site, so you can rent these for a week, use them, and return them. So the way the rental program will work is you will check out, you'll add this to your cart. We do ask for a rental fee, but there's also a deposit. Okay, so once you return the tool, you get all of the deposit money back, which is great. So that's just a way to ensure that we get the tools back whenever we rent them to you. And you also can purchase all the supplies. You would want to get the nails, the gas cartridge, and the washers with the GX3, and then with the DX5 you would want to get the shot cartridges and the foam board nails with the DX5. So that should be all the tools that you would need, the accessories that you would need with each one of those tools. I'm Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.